Everyone, in this video, I will guide you how to record a Zoom meeting on a mobile device using the Zoom app. You must have a licensed account. To begin, make sure you are the host of the meeting, as only the host can start a recording. Open the Zoom app, tap the Meet and Chat tab at the bottom, and then tap New Meeting and start a meeting. Once the meeting has started, tap the center of the screen to display the user interface. Then tap the More tab, represented by three dots in the lower right corner. From the More menu, tap Record to begin recording your meeting. You will see Recording appear in the upper right corner, indicating that the meeting is being recorded. When you are ready to stop or pause the recording, tap the More tab again. Then choose either the pause icon to vertical lines to temporarily stop the recording or the stop icon a square to end it entirely. Once you stop the recording, it will be processed and uploaded to the cloud. The host will receive an email notification once the recording is available. This email includes two links, one for the host and one for the participants. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.